MSL Customs because the Scooby is going to get a makeover. Yeah, I'm getting it wrapped. What colour? You're going to have to wait and find out. So there it is, car dropped off to MSL Customs. Gonna come back next week and see the end result. It's gonna be a bit weird because I'm used to the car being black, but need a change, and also those stone chips getting on my nerves. So yeah, stay tuned. Just come from MSL Customs. I'm dropping my car in to get wrapped. It's needed. Front is stone chipped to death. I don't know how it got stone chipped. It's because you like drive slow cars all the time and I have to push these up roads. Anyway, but yeah, I'm actually very excited to see the outlook, the end product.
Whatever colour it may be, something different. That's all I'm going to give you a hint.
Don't give them too much hints. Pink, fluorescent pink and purple. I am mad. But yeah, we'll keep it updated on the look. Well, we won't actually. We're just going to show you when it's finished. Sound. Yes, people. So, just got the call from MSL Customs. My car's done. It's ready. And I'm excited. Let's go and see what the makeover looks like.
I like it.
More than happy with the colour. I was gonna go for something black, but then I decided I wanted something different. So I've gone with a gunmetal grey with a bit of a twist. More than happy with the results. Don't worry about these. These are gonna come off. Car's ready for car season. So like, comment if you like the colour, and make sure you subscribe. This car's gonna be very active this summer. Race Planet. Peace out.